Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up. If you do enjoy it, it will be well appreciated. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. With this video today, I'm showing you guys the best compared camera to the Canon G7X, which is the Panasonic Lumix ZS35. And this little vlogging camera slash compact camera is amazing. I am switching up the whole vibe. I am doing a camera review, something that I never do on my channel, but I am just so excited about this camera that I purchased on eBay, and it was for an affordable price. I am so excited because I purchased it at an affordable price of $80. Dun, dun, dun. This is it. It flips up just like so. This is what it looks like up close. This camera is amazing for first-time vloggers, beginner vloggers, and anyone who just wants to vlog on a budget. It comes in either black, which I have, and it comes in white as well. So you have two options. You can purchase the white one if you like. I like the black one because it just looks a little bit more chic. I put this strap on it just in case I kind of slip and it falls. I have it on my wrist. And it's so compact, it fits in my bag. It fits in my book bag, whatever I'm carrying to go on the go. I have this in my bag. It creates no kind of problems. It's very durable, and I actually knocked it against a few things in my bag. It still holds up, still good. And it is 8 ounces, so that's how much it weighs. It might be a little bit more heavier than the G7X, but it is perfect for me. Wi-Fi, power button, the zoom. And here are the options where you can choose from. This is where the mic is. So this camera is a full HD camera. It is perfect for vlogging. You get the high definition look in all of your videos and photos. And as far as the zoom, it is a 20 times zoom. So it zooms all the way out. Let me turn it on. This is the lens zoomed all the way out. What I love about this camera, the second quality I love about it, or the second feature I love about this camera, is the fact that it's Wi-Fi. It has a Wi-Fi built in, so you can transfer images and video from the camera to your computer or to your phone. So the blue light right there shows that the Wi-Fi is on. Actually, I vlogged in Las Vegas. Quality was amazing. So I will be inserting some clips when I'm outside and how it just picks up sound and how it picks up the quality of the outdoor natural light. So you guys will be seeing that. So this is me outside with the wind blowing and everything, the clear skies. Tell me how the sound is. I'm talking as loud as I can. How do you feel about the HD quality? This is me in the shade, and I feel like it's pretty good. I love the quality of it. It makes my skin appear nice. I really appreciate you guys' thoughts. If you feel like the sound is perfect for you, then definitely get the camera. But if you feel like the sound isn't good, or you want to appear louder, then you can always edit it and make the sound appear louder, whatever you want to do. This is me in the sun, directly in the sun. The quality is really good. I love this camera so much. And I mean, it's perfect for beginners, like I said, and you'll definitely get used to it. It can get a little bit heavy, so I am going to purchase a little mini tripod for it. But otherwise, I love this camera a lot. So let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down. And I'm going to get inside because it's really cold, and I'm sure you guys get the idea of the camera. But be sure to pick it up. If you don't like it, you can always return it. So I'm going to go. The camera has so many options. You have the option to have sepia, you have black and white, you have so many options to set this on if you don't want to just have it on the original quality or the original scene. You have the option to do manual, exposure, there's custom set 1, aperture, custom set 2, panoramic shots, which is pretty cool. So basic, you can learn it within a few minutes, a few hours. And I mean, everything's just self-explanatory. You have to play around with it. It comes with a charger for it, so you can charge it without having to put in new batteries or anything like that. You just plug it in to the outlet and it charges just like that. I had a camera once before. I had to change the batteries every so often when I felt like the camera was dying. That became so annoying. So this camera is perfect. You can charge the battery, which it looks like this, or you can charge it from the outside. And the only thing is different is this is not touchscreen, so you have to kind of use the buttons here. You can mount it on a tripod. It has the hole for that, and this is where the memory card goes, right here. Pops in, pops out. Now the prices went up a little bit, I guess because they're selling out a little bit more. They rose the price on some of the eBay profiles that, you know, people are selling from. So I think now it is about maybe $85 to $100 for this camera, but that's still within a good price range because the Canon G7X is about what, $300, $400, but this camera is still way cheaper than that. So, and you get perfect quality, in my opinion. You get 1080p, getting all the qualities, and it takes amazing photos if you want to just do photos for Instagram. So personally, I love a flip up screen. I love to see myself, to make sure I'm in focus especially, and just to see my surroundings too. I have to practice looking in the lens instead of the viewfinder, but I mean, everybody wants a viewfinder nowadays on their cameras. So if you guys are interested in starting a vlog channel, pick this up on eBay. Just type in Panasonic Lumix DMC ZS35 and it should come up. This is not a sponsored video, so I'm just saying that this camera is amazing, and I just really want you guys to know that there are vlog cameras that are within a good price range. So I'm interested in starting a little travel vlog series, so that's why I really bought a vlog camera, so I can start vlogging those moments and capturing exciting times. Finished with the weekend. We just really trying to chill today, so you know, that's how it's gonna be. And then I have my watch on along with my bracelet and earrings, basic hoops, and I might be putting on my sunglasses real quick, you know. And I'm really happy with how my hair turned out. I'm really happy the way I braided it. I took my time. Yes, I took my time braiding my hair, and I braided it smaller, so as you guys can see. And I have to get my eyebrows done. If you guys would see these eyebrows, oh my god. So I'll probably get them done probably later on today or tomorrow. Tomorrow will be fine. Tomorrow will be fine, yeah. At least I won't forget. I'm going away this weekend to North Carolina. Yeah, so it's gonna be a fun weekend. I'm going to Busch Gardens, hanging out with an old friend of mine, you know. Anyway, I'll speak to you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed that little camera review. I know it was a different kind of video that I never did on my channel before, but I love media, I love film, I love photography. Anyway, I will speak to you guys in the next one. I love you all so much. Bye.